We are standing at the southern edge of the Holland Landing Prairie Provincial Reserve in Holland Landing. We're just about to head up and see our kindergarten classes who are learning with our Ontario Parks friends. And the focus for our students is really about building a relationship with this land.
Gina Marucci, she reached out to me last summer actually to ask about some information about the history of Holland Landing Prairie and the restoration work being done by Ontario Parks. So we were able to share our ideas and our goals, our hopes for these students, and the relationships really just blossomed from there.
These visits have come about through a CCEL grant, which is a community connected experiential learning grant through the York Region District School Board. So with the support of Ontario Park staff, our students were given a guided tour of the prairie and learned about what a prescribed burn is and how that is important to certain ecosystems and how that prescribed burn actually helps certain plants and other types of species to thrive.
The nature feels calming. You hear the birds singing, and my favorite thing about the trip was going into the forest and learning about the different plants that we have here.
Today was fun. I liked exploring the prairie, seeing all the trees and nature and all the animals that live here.
And we're walking around seeing the forest and being in nature and the wildlife. And it feels better than just being inside, sitting.
And so our grant allowed us to have 2 days of students visiting the prairie. Every student from our school, from kindergarten to grade 8. Kerry Ann Charles, who is an executive director with a not-for-profit, who does work around the land from an Indigenous perspective, who holds rich knowledge about the land and how people engage with it.
So we've also been very fortunate to have Kerry Ann Charles join us for these programs as she shared the importance of reciprocity and connectedness from an Indigenous perspective. So it helps to develop the students' worldviews so that they will be open-minded and curious individuals.
We've been learning how to take care of the land. We're learning about how to not step on ants, because the ant holes are very small.
I've learned that creatures and snakes and animals in here have a very nice habitat, and that not to ruin it because it could be ruining your home.
Being out here in nature feels calming. You can hear the birds chirping. It smells like nature and it's really cool. I like it.
As a brand new school that brought together students from 4 different locations, we really wanted to engage in work that saw us go deeper than just a schoolyard cleanup, and to really be a school that is deeply engaged in reconciliation work.
So I'm excited to see how this relationship will grow as Queensville strives to be champions of the prairie.
We'll continue to educate our families, our communities, and our students about this special prairie and help to preserve and protect and continue to make it a prairie and a special place in this area.